Hello viewers, we manufacture many different kind of motors, but in this video we will introduce you with our heavy duty belt drive energy saving servo motors with many different functions. Our most basic model has only one function, that is needle position, and we have motors available in 750 watt and 1000 watt with this one function. Our second model has two functions, that is needle position and foot lifting, and we also have this motor available in 1000 watt and 750 watt. Our third model has three functions: needle position, foot lifting, and air blow or suction. Our fourth model has three functions: needle position, foot lifting, and reverse stitch. Our fifth model has four functions: needle position, foot lifting, reverse stitch, and air blow or suction. Our fifth model is actually the complete model with includes all these functions. Now, maybe some of you are thinking that why we have made many different models when all these functions are there in the single one C model. This is because we want to make motors cost efficient. With increase of one function, there is increase of some cost. So we have given the choice to the customer that they can choose as per their requirement without adding some more money. But if you want to choose all these functions in the same motor, then you can choose our C motor.